Times Square, New York, close to the end of the year, and these are my predictions for 2026 and what to do to survive AI everywhere. In 2026, humanoid work robots will arrive in real settings. Warehouses, logistics, factories, large facilities. They will look intelligent because they learn from human behavior. Just like today's AI learns from human text, they will repeat physical actions, pick up objects, move them, sort them, load them. Companies will cut time and shift, and pressure will rise on wages and on the pace of operational jobs. Then in 2026, more daily decisions will be made by automated systems. Credit, insurance, rental, spending limits. We will receive only outcomes, approved, rejected, or review needed. Families will plan with less certainty. Decisions will arrive more often without a useful explanation. In 2026, money will be blocked more often by automatic checks. Triggers will include changing city, phone, same address, or making unusual purchases. Systems will rely on complex models and not simple rules that can be changed quickly. Unlock times will get longer. The burden will fall on the user. In 2026, AI will be built into everything: email, messages, photos, documents, customer support. It will write and reply for us. We will check less. A small error will affect a payment, an appointment, a case, a job choice. Text will be cleaner. Decision more automatic. In 2026, scams will be more targeted and live. Phishing will move to real-time calls, even video. On the other side, there will be a family member or something that looks like one, generated by AI in real time. Voice, face, reactions. Requests for money or codes will arrive while we are talking. Trust inside the family will be used as leverage. In 2026, office work will compress. Fewer middle roles, more tasks per person, customer care, marketing, administration, and companies will use more freelancers and project contracts. With AI as justification, layoff will be easier. Work will be more fragmented, fewer protection, more pressure on those who remain. In 2026, the first to be replaced will not be the least skilled. They will be those who don't use AI. Refusing tools will be seen as lower, more expensive, less flexible. Using them well will keep you employed.